Right-click on the desktop, and select New and select Shortcut in the sub-list. Type, Slide to Shutdown. Choose Finish to create this shortcut. Select Properties, go to the Shortcut tab. Click on Change Icon. After selecting the power icon, click OK to apply the changes. When double-click on the shortcut, a Slide to Shutdown screen will appear. Type shutdown-s-t00. Double-click to instantly shut down your PC. That's it. Press Win and X. This opens the Power User menu. Now, press U. This highlights the shutdown or sign out. Finally, press U one more time, and starts the shutdown process. Press Alt and F4 and enter.